Do you guys remember that show Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi? I was wondering if that show has aged well because I loved it as a kid, but do you think it would not be PC enough to be a hit in present day? So I rewatched the show, not all of it because there are 500 episodes, but I watched the first 10 to 15 episodes and let's sit down together and discuss it. The premise is pretty simple. You have an ugly girl with the braces, fuck ass bangs, and odd sense of style, and she works in a fashion industry, so she stands out extra from the rest of the crowd. And you know what? I kind of like the idea of an ugly girl who doesn't conform to the world making a place for herself in the world. It's a sort of coming of age. She's also from a middle class family, and she's very hardworking and pure hearted and very endearing to me until she makes this fuck ass signature expression of hers. But yeah, as I was thinking all that, I was like, I hope the focus isn't too much on her being in love with her boss. But this show was released in 2004, so of course it does. Speaking of the boss, who is Arman, as soon as I rewatched the first episode, I was like, wait, why didn't I used to have a crush on him when I was a kid? Because this is the exact kind of guy that 9-year-old me would have a crush on. And then I realized watching the show that he sucks. He's so insufferable. He has no personality. He keeps bullying her and he's not even good at his job. He just keeps goofing off all the time with his equally ugly goon ass friend. But yeah, of course, he's like the perfect man and she's totally in love with him. Whatever. I'm willing to ignore it. The aesthetics of the show are so 2000. Like, look at the outfits, look at the fashion girlies walking around and this screams Y2K. And that's why Jussie stands out in contrast, right? It was radical for the 2000s in the supermodel heroine chic era to have an ugly woman be the protagonist of the whole show, and it was a very commercially successful mainstream show. And it wasn't that one dimensional. You also see her living with her family and how she has a very sweet and endearing relationship with her dadi. I love when those two girlies are kikiing together, and how her employment as a single daughter creates this hope for upward mobility in her family. Like, very soon after she gets the job, her family is like, hey, maybe we can upgrade from our Chetak scooter to a Maruti 800, our first car. And what is all this if not the perfect mix of ingredients for a coming of age show? So circling back to the question, would Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi work if it was released in present day? Yes, there would be a lot of discourse about it, but I think it would be even more radical if it was released today than it was 2 decades ago. Because with social media, the pressure for women to perform their beauty and prove that they're worthy and serious and hardworking through their beauty is more than it ever was. I talked about this in a recent video about how it feels like being on vacation is a competition to show just how sexy you are and how seriously you take your beauty. And I just feel like if we feel that pressure in our leisure, then we definitely feel that in our professional lives. You have to be beautiful to be successful. And what does Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi talk about if not that you can be ugly and get everything you want in life? We'll ignore the fact that they yassified her towards the end, but I would go as far as to say that Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi is an important piece of feminist media in the Indian context, and it would be way more radical if it was released today than it was 2 decades ago.